Do you want to create your own avatar that looks professional and unique? In this video, I will show you my simple step-by-step process to create an avatar from scratch, even if you are a beginner. To create your own avatar easily, I will show you exactly how I create my own step by step. Let's begin. Make sure you watch this to the end so you won't miss any step. So now you are going to go to ChatGPT and you are going to paste your prompts. I'll show the prompts in the description box below, and upload your picture from the gallery. So this is the picture I'm using, and you click on done, and you are going to wait till it rolls and you upload it back. You're going to wait until ChatGPT create the image. It takes like 5 minutes, and please take note that ChatGPT is allow people to create 5 images a day, while Grok AI allow people to create 20 images or video in a day. After ChatGPT have created 5 images a day, you are going to wait till the second day before you start creating any video. You are going to save it. You can see this image is actually amazing. So this prompt, I'm going to copy it and paste it on Grok AI also, so you know the difference between Grok AI and ChatGPT. We are going to click on imagine, and from there I'm going to click on image because it's image we are creating. Click on image, and you are going to paste the prompt and you upload it. You wait until Grok give you the images. So you see, this is not the woman I'm using for this avatar. You can see that Grok is giving me another thing, while ChatGPT exactly give me the woman face. So I will advise you that it's ChatGPT that you should use to create avatar like this, realistic one. So I've saved it. They can find one and save it. You see the best between ChatGPT and Grok AI. So you are going to be telling me which one is the best app to use for realistic image. You can see this is so fine. Now we have seen how I create my avatar step by step. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss my next tutorial. Drop your questions in the comment section. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.